Is an extra $12.95 sneaking off your monthly bill? Many people accidentally choose a higher account tier during sign-up. That $12.95 adds up to roughly $155 every year. Confusing plan names and default settings often cause the mistake. You might spot a recurring $12.95 charge on your statement and not realize why. Left unchecked, that fee becomes a silent monthly drain on your budget. Stop the leak with a simple 3-step check. Step 1. Open account settings and confirm your current tier. Step 2. Compare the features you use with lower-cost tiers. Step 3. Switch or downgrade. Most providers allow instant changes. Confirm the price drops and watch $12.95 disappear from future bills. Review your account now and switch tiers. Save $12.95 every month. Start today.